In an exclusive interview with Guyana TV9, NAP's director, Dr. Tyrick Jacknarine, is urging the public, especially young adults, to take their sexual health seriously. According to Dr. Jacknarine, for years, Guyana recorded fewer than 450 new HIV cases annually. But that trend is shifting, and the increase is coming from one group in particular, young people ages 20 to 29. This rise, he stated, isn't driven by a lack of access to condoms or treatment, but by changing attitudes and risky sexual behavior.
Many of them are not practicing safe sex. They're not using condoms. We've done studies with about 1,250 persons to look at their sexual behaviors last year. And we've seen that many men around that age group, they don't use condoms. And when you ask ladies to, how many of them ask their partners to use condom, just about 8% of them indicated that they ask. The condom use among men, it's at 45%. And that gives you an idea of what's happening.
The findings come from a national survey conducted last year, and what it shows is startling. Not only are condoms being used less, but awareness of PrEP, the daily pill that prevents HIV, remains low. NAPS found that only 4 out of 10 Guyanese know what PrEP is. And despite new strategies from school outreach programs to neon signs in nightclubs where condoms can be collected discreetly, the message isn't translating into a behavior
But
change.
you can take the horse to the well, but the horse at this point has to drink the water, and its concept is the same. We can put the condoms in your hand, but you have to choose to use it, and it goes both for women and men.
NAPS has been expanding prevention tools, including larger condom sizes, flavor options, and colorful designs aimed at appealing to younger demographics. But with rising infections, the agency is reminding the public that HIV remains a reality and taking precautions is critical. Dr. Jack Narayan says combating misinformation is also key, especially around condom use for different types of sexual
A
activities.
lot of people have so many misconceptions out there. Condoms is not just for vaginal sex. Anal sex, you have a higher risk if you don't use condoms. And so
As Guyana pushes towards its 2030 eliminations targets, NAPS is urging the public to get tested, learn about PrEP, and take advantage of prevention resources already available across the country. Dr. Jack Narayan notes that the fight against HIV cannot be won by the health systems alone. It requires communities to lead, speak up, and take action. NAPS continue its outreach efforts in schools, clubs, hotels, and communities nationwide, with plans to introduce long-acting injectable PrEP in the coming years. On this World AIDS Day, Dr. Jack Narayan advises to get informed, get tested, protect yourself and your partner. Adana Dorrick, Guyana TV9 News.